The new i3 has officially arrived in Europe a few months earlier than BMW originally planned. Strong demand prompted the luxury automaker to move up the electric sedan's launch from its originally scheduled fall market debut. However, you can't configure the car exactly as you wish because BMW is currently limiting availability to a first edition aimed at early adopters. Nevertheless, there's still some room for customization. Buyers can choose from 6 exterior colors, including the exclusive M-Look Castellet blue you probably saw in the official photos. 4 alloy wheel designs are available in either 19 or 20-inch sizes. Inside, the standard M interior in black Vaganza and M Perform text can be replaced with alternative upholstery options, including a white theme. BMW is asking €75,340 for the i350 xDrive First Edition in Germany and includes more than a few niceties. The M Sport package and illuminated kidney grille come standard, along with heated and electrically adjustable front seats. To help justify the price, BMW also throws in a heated steering wheel, tinted rear windows, and 3-zone automatic climate control. The standard equipment list extends to an electrically operated trunk, a Harman Kardon sound system, and 22 kW AC charging instead of the standard 11 kW. While special editions typically don't offer many options, this one does. Buyers can add heated rear seats, a panoramic glass roof, which doesn't open, a white steering wheel, available only with the white interior, and an electrically deployable tow bar. BMW also offers a wide range of driver assistance and safety features, including the highway and city assistant, which helps reduce fatigue during daily commutes. When the i3 officially launches this fall, BMW will expand the lineup with a base model. The standard i350 xDrive will cost €65,900 in Germany. For reference, an equivalent 9350 xDrive starts at €74,700, making the crossover nearly €9,000 more expensive. Additional models in this segment will follow, including the already announced i3 Touring and a highly likely 9/4 coupe-style crossover. Americans still have a long wait ahead, as the i3 won't reach the US until sometime next year. By then, the lineup will likely have expanded with additional variants. There's a good chance BMW will introduce a more affordable i3 that drops the front motor. In fact, the company already sells a single-motor, rear-wheel drive 9340 with a smaller battery in Europe.